Hi, welcome to the ProVision Bind DNS Zone Import Overview. To manage data imports, you need administrative access to ProVision. Go into the Admin section by clicking on the gear icon at the top right of the screen, and then select Admin. This brings up the Admin Preferences page, but you can also see the other administrative tabs. Look for the Data Import tab and click on it. Under the DNS Import section, look for Bind Zone Upload/Import and click on it. A simple DNS zone import requires two files. First, a configuration file tied to the zones that you are uploading. This tells the importer the zone name and where the zone file is written. The second is a zip or tar file of the DNS zones themselves that matches the configuration file. For more complex imports, you may also include a third optional file, a CSV that associates the zones with a resource ID. For examples of each of these files, see our Bind DNS Zone Import documentation. For this walkthrough, we will only be using simple versions of the two required files. To import your zones, the first step is to create a job name and description for the import. Next, select the appropriate configuration file and archive file by selecting the Choose File button under each section, and then browse to the correct file location. The CSV file is optional, and we're skipping that for this walkthrough. After selecting your files, hit Start Import. After starting the import, the new job will appear under the Existing Jobs section. To continue working with this job, select it from the list, and the next step will appear on the page. Since we are performing a simple zone upload, only using the configuration file and archive file, our next step is to review our data. The configuration file is broken into individual jobs, scanned for errors, and shown by row. You can review these rows and see if any errors come up. Zones with errors will show as color-coded and can be filtered to be viewed by all, valid, warnings, invalid, or ignored. Our import came in as all valid. If your import comes in with errors, you can choose to either edit the zone to fix the errors, or click the Ignore button to skip it. To fix errors or edit information, hit Edit on the zone record. Editing the zone provides options to alter the resource holder, enable DNS servers, and redefine master and slave servers. After editing, hit the Save button, and you can continue to review and edit data as needed. When the review step is completed, hit the Execute Import button. A progress bar will appear and note errors if they occur. At this point, your import is complete. You can exit the admin area of ProVision by going to the top of the page and clicking on Exit Admin, and you will be redirected to the dashboard. If you would like to verify your import, you can navigate to the resource you assign to the zone, if applicable, and look at the DNS gadget. From here, you can see the newly imported DNS zones listed under the resource. If you did not assign a resource to the zones, you may also verify the zone import by going to the DNS tab and looking through the zone list.